First, let me respect to the teacher and everyone watching. Our team project will talk about keylogger. So keylogger is a kind of tool or software designed to record every key stock made on a device. Imagine this. You are typing away on your computer, sending a message, entering password, or working on something important. Completely unaware that every key stock you make is begin silent recorded by someone else. So today I'm going to explore the world of keylogger, what they are, how they work, and how can you protect yourself from them. As you can see, I have created a folder to make the video for keystock and use with a Python. So I will explain my code when I'm done. So our code is near done, so let me explain the code real quick. First, I have a setup library. The keylogger uses a Python library like a pinboard or keyboard to listen for keystock event. This library allows easy tracking of a key press and release. And the second, I have used the call function, so the keylogger defines a callback function to handle key press and release. For example, like on the press, lock the key when the press, and another code is on release. Stop the keylogger if a specific key like ESC is pressed. Another thing is when you are going to do is look up Windows Defender, or you go to the video protection and you need to turn it off while you are coding the keylogger, because if you don't, then it will cache and delete your script. Then you will have to start over again, so you have to turn it off. Just wait, when you're done you can turn it back. Then I use a PowerShell and typing like pinstaller dash w and capital F and with my project name, and then you can enter. So the video is installing. When it's success, you can close it, so you will see like this the videos in here. Keylogger can be hardware like this, a small gadget attached to a keyboard, or software program that run on your computer. They can install through phishing email, website, or even USB drive. One active, they can capture everything you type from login detail. Like example, I go to login. Example, what if I go to login my Facebook? So here I go to my Facebook and then I put my username. And now I put my password. You cannot see my password, but the hacker will see about that. Can capture everything, your information, personal. They can capture all your personal detail, your private conversation, tracking your password, steal your data, stealing whatever you typing like this. So here you can see like this. So I have go to Facebook, and I can see the hacker can see my username, can see my password. So it means like they can see whatever you're typing. And now I will tell you about something to protect ourselves. But it's not mean like it can help 100%. Do just more carefully when you know about keylogger. So first, always keep your device updated. And the second is always turn on your antivirus to protect your software. And the last point is don't click any link or download and no file if you're not sure about where it's from. So keylogger reminds us of important staying alert and informed in a digital age. I hope this presentation gives you a clear understanding of how they work and how to stay safe. So thank you for your watching.